Hi everyone and welcome to our how-to stop motion animation. In today's video is going to be pretty basic and straightforward, showing you how to use toys for your stop motion animation, also how to add sound to it. So in this stop motion we're using two stuffed animals that I have lying around and a plastic ball. So when you're moving your toys around, it's not going to be as hard as moving a Lego piece around. We're not focusing on getting it to work particularly, but trying to get it to move as slow as we want it to move. Now for this stop motion, if you pay attention to this particular part, I wanted to get my dog spinning frantically looking for his friend. So you're gonna see me making some big turns for this shot, and it's only because I want him to spin. So anytime you want a fast movement, you're gonna make a big jump from one frame to the next. So if I play it back, you'll be able to see him spinning really quickly looking for his friends. So if I play back here, there we go, we get him spinning really fast. So one thing I wanted to do and show you with this stop motion, I actually wanted to keep it as simple and as basic as possible. I actually have a white background, white flooring, just to show you that you can use any background that you want. For this stop motion, I actually used some Play-Doh and I tried to form it into some little shrubs that you saw the dog hiding behind. So if you want to add little details like that, you can go ahead and do that by all means. I also wanted to show you that stop motion animation doesn't have to be very complicated. It can be very, very easy. If you have some toys, go ahead and start creating a stop motion animation and put it together, and you're gonna be amazed at how well it comes out. I actually made this within 5 minutes, sitting down and thinking of what I wanted it to look like, and it took me about 5 minutes to get this done. As you can see, it's pretty easy movements. Pay attention to when you have a moving object like this ball, you're gonna see me, it's gonna be hard to get it in the position that you want to get it in. Just be patient. The guide is there to show you where you last moved it, so you're gonna be able to move it around easy. Also remember to keep playing back your stop motion animation just to see where you're at, and if you need to add more pieces to it. At this point, after looking at it, I realized that I could probably toss the ball back and forth a little more, so I can have more frames and have a longer stop motion animation. Now the rest of this, I'm just moving this ball back and forth, trying to get it to look a little longer and be more lifelike and be a great stop motion. Remember, the length of your stop motion is very important. We want to keep it at least more than a minute. So after I did all that and I'm running it through, making sure that I like what I see, I'm going to go ahead and tap on my sound, that little music icon you see at the bottom there, to add sound. So you're gonna tap on that icon, and the options are audio library or record. This is your first time doing this, is your device is going to ask you for permission to record or to get into your library. So you're going to hit record, and you can actually make fun sounds that you want to add. I actually didn't add sounds because I needed to put it in this video. So you can actually add sounds if you want to make puppy barking or any funny songs that you want, any relevant sounds that you want. You can add it in at this point. If you do not want to record a sound, you can actually go into your audio library with your parents' help, download some songs off the internet, and you'll be able to add it to your stop motion animation. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks again so much for watching. Don't forget to submit your stop motion animation, guys. The deadline is the 24th of August. Bye guys, see you in the next one.